Everybody run back to your fantasy.
Michelle, what are you looking for?
I think that's yeah. But it says Mish.
I know, but we tried that upstairs.
Oh, no.
Michelle, what are you looking for?
And on the count of three, everybody run back to your fantasy.
I'm gonna pour this out with my name on it.
Michelle, is this yours?
I'm gonna pour it out and I'm gonna pour this out with my name on it.
I think that's mine, Michelle. She doesn't get that I'm filming. How do you feel, Dave? How do you feel about the situation?
Oops, should we throw this trash out? Oops.
It's fine.
Tomorrow, we'll do it tomorrow. We'll do it tomorrow. That's a good idea. I like that.
Michelle, I'm recording a video.
Oh my god, that was my I threw my I just Wait.
I'm gonna beat my pants. Michelle, what are you doing?
The doctor requested that I can have a couple of drinks. He's like, no, listen. Yeah, listening. He said you can have a couple of drinks a week, but that's about it. He said if you have a couple of drinks a week, that's okay. And I know you're
These are still what?
Yeah, those don't work. But he said, Michelle, you can have a few drinks a week, and if you want to get drunk, then that's okay. And I was like, really? Are you sure? Yeah, he's like, I know this is a stressful time if you want to get drunk. And so I was like, really? I haven't had any drinks. I had like one. I had like maybe 3 or 4 total drinks at the one time, and that was all I've had.
What do we have going on here?
Like after
Mish tries to rationalize getting drunk despite medication that mandates no drinking due to, what, liver disease? How do you feel about that, Dave? Because I have special times in this show.
There's nothing like a little bit of liver damage. Liver.
Why are you so perplexed? Anan, your comments?
Hey, you guys, it's almost Jeff's birthday. I'm gonna his birthday. We're gonna put an oven now. Let's put an oven.
Don't let him walk.
Hey, Liz, you have your keys? Yes.
What do you, Michelle?